All right. I'm going to be honest. This is probably one of the most interesting things of this year. Let's see how this works out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the No Stud TV wall bracket. This is going to be a crazy review. This is going to be a scary review because apparently this thing is, you don't have to put it on a stud. You don't have to put it on a stud, and you can fit a 13 to 55 inch TV. So I did get this from Amazon, so link will be in the description. All right, let's see what else it says here. It says up to 100 pounds. So if your flat screen is 100 pounds or more, beware. All right, time to open up. And here we go. We have a mount right here. We have oh, this is gonna be crazy. All right, y'all don't mind me, y'all guys. Right here on the parts list, it says wall bracket, TV mounting bracket, security cable. I do not know what all of these bolts for. Maybe different size TVs have different size bolts, I'm assuming. All right, they give you a leveler, 20 nails. I don't know who uses nails anymore, but we got 20 nails. So I think I understand the science of this thing. All right, but I am still nervous on putting this on drywall. Now, let me tell you why. Usually when you hang heavy things on drywall, it's supposed to be a stud. If you don't use a stud, then they always give you anchors. But in this situation, they gave you 20 nails. Now, depending on where you put this on your wall, your nail right here may hit a stud. They still, in their instructions, don't have nothing with you hitting the stud. So what we have on our nail is 1.25 inches, okay? The nail is 1.25 inches. Usually drywall in your house is 1/2 inch. Mine's 1/2 inch. You might have a little bit bigger, but either way, if you hit this in, you will hit a stud. Now, in my situation, my basement, when I was framing the walls, I spaced them out 24 inches instead of 16 inches apart. But even if you're 16 inches apart, my friends, this thing is 16 5/8. So if you put this between your studs, more than likely, you're not going to hit the stud where it needs to be hit. So this is definitely going on straight drywall. But if you put this in the middle of your stud, so if you split your 16-inch stud, or in my situation, the 24-inch stud, if you split it in the middle, then more than likely you will have a couple of screws. Well, not screws, but nails. This pad right here is foam. This is not sticky pad. That might have been something to help out if this was sticky pad, but somebody might want to move this to a different area. So if you're the type that like to switch up your room a lot, then you definitely going to have a little bit of hard time because you're going to have to take all of these nails out. All right, so anyways, let's get into the rest of this review. All right, you guys, so step 1 right here, it says install TV mounting bracket. So this is the TV mounting bracket, and to install it, this has to be like this. All right, and we will have to find the right screws for us. In the instructions right here, you do not want to use a very long screw, and you don't want to use nothing too short. If you have something too long, you might damage your TV. If you have something too short, it might not, the threads might not meet together. So you want to find a screw that's just right for your TV. With me, this is not a TV, this is a regular computer monitor. So make sure you find the right screw for you. All right, you guys, I think I found the right screws for me. Like I said, it's not too long. If it's too long, they gave you washers. That way you don't screw into your whole TV and damage that. Stay there. All right, you guys, that's tight. All right, you guys, so the next step, they have this little leveling tube. Pretty cool, right? Right here, there is a slot. Put your little leveling tube into the slot. And that's it. Now it could come out the slot, so watch how you tilt it. So you just put it into the slot like that. Put it in the middle and level it out wherever you want it on your wall. Once again, we're gonna see how this work out. Like I said, I am a little nervous because I don't know what I'm going to get into. I never hung anything on this straight drywall without using an anchor. So here we go. Good old hammer. Y'all tell me in the comments, when was the last time you used a nail and a hammer? All right, you guys, so I already measured out where I want this to be, and we are going to set this right. Make sure the ball's in the middle. That's level right there. And we are going to hammer in. Make sure you don't hit your drywall. And nail drop. I think I guess it. No, it's not mistake. All right. I don't know, this might work, guys. All right. Wow. All right, you guys. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 nails in this thing, and they gave us more than 19 nails. For the next step, we have to put in the security cable. I guess this is to save the company's butt when the TV falls, because they said it could be put on those studs, right? All right, so you see there's a slot in the TV mount part right there. You see that slot right there? You put this through the slot. And there's a little metal ball catcher right there. And you just let go. And that's it. Don't know if you can see it because I got the TV in my face. All right. Now they're saying to screw this to the wall. Once again, if this thing actually falls, then this will come off of the wall. Now, my suggestion is to screw this little piece into a stud. They did give you a screw here. All right, I'm gonna read what they say. Insert cable through slot on the bracket, hang TV, and insert a bear claw security screw through the eyelet and into the wall. And that's it. Here goes our computer monitor. All right, you guys, so my camera actually well, not the camera. Something happened with the SIM card and the recording, and the rest of the half of the video was nothing, like blank. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this off. Anyways, so with this wire, security wire right here, in order to put it on, you will have to either put it on a stud somewhere and try to like tilt this, and you might need a partner, but if you could hold the tilt, you get a drill gun and then you try to drill it in an angle. If not, you will have to take it off. All you do is lift it up, tilt it, and then try to find your stud and then drill it up to your stud. But you will have to put the nail on it because it's going to be hard to hold it like this. So you have to put the nail on it and screw it in. So I will suggest that you get a partner to help you out with that part. So if you don't need the security wire hung, then put it to the side and then tilt it and put it on. It's easy as it looks, guys. And that's it. Alright, I'm trying to say. Right, guys, I won't back away, but there we go. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky, but hey, it's okay. Alright. This thing actually makes me nervous. Alright, you guys. So that's the end with the no stud TV wall mount. This will probably be the only no stud TV wall mount that y'all will see on this channel. I just got this. I wanted to test it out, have some fun, but my fun is starting to become a like me walking into a minefield. Okay. All right, you guys. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, drop it in the comment section. I will try to get back with y'all, but this will be just staying right there. I don't think I will be moving this to over there or over somewhere else, because for one, that's a lot of nails that I will have to take back off and nail it on to the other side of the wall. It's just too much. I'm a screw guy, you guys. I'm not really hammering nails no more. That was ages ago. Not into that no more. But anyways, but yeah, that's the end of that review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I have more products coming on the way. Catch y'all in the next one.